Hello friends, welcome to Best Techie Tips. By looking to the title and thumbnail, you would be easily clear that what's inside the video. So, without any more wastage of time, let's begin. So, today I'll be telling you 3 websites from which you can make link of your files easily. So, the first one is Google Drive, and the second one is Mediafire, and the third one is Mega. So first of all, we'll go on Google Drive. So here is the interface, and you have to link your Google account in it like I have linked. And here you have to click New and click on File Upload, and then you have to click the file you want, like I am clicking this one. So after some time, it will complete downloading. Here you can see it's downloaded, or you can say it's uploaded. So here we close it. You can see my image is coming here. So I'll click this, and you have to click on Get Shareable Link, and you have to select Link Sharing On. So here's the link of the file. So I can give you proof by opening it. So here we have to copy it, and you can see on the new window I'll paste it. When someone will go to this link, it will show an interface like this. Okay, so let's move to the second one. So the second one is Mediafire. So here the interface will be like this, and you can link your account if you want. Here you have to select Upload File, and here you have to select File, select Add File. So again, I'll choose this file. See, here you have to select Begin Upload. See, it's downloading or uploading. Here you can see you can share the link or copy link. I have copied for a proof. Here I'll paste it to make it sure. See, an interface like this will be shown. So let's move to the third one, which is Mega. Here you have to click File Upload, and again I'll choose this file, and here is the progress of loading. Once it's completed, your file is successfully uploaded. See, and here you have to click these 3 dots, and here you have to click Get Link. See, here's the link. I'll copy it for a proof. Here I'll paste it. See, an interface like this will be shown. So that was all on my video. Please like, share and subscribe so that you can get more videos related to tech. Okay, bye bye.